Shalom, guys. I'm just out here surveying the uh, damage from the cabbage worms, as you see. Um, they've been chewing at the leaves of my greens and on top of the grubs, sucking the life out of them. They're still trying to produce. It's just that they're getting nade up by the cabbage worms, as you can see with some of the damage to the leaves. Over there, I had to take up all my green beans and harvest them, so I have them in the house. But literally, I'm going to start taking down everything in here because I bought some new beds, so I can literally start over for my fall crops because I still have to treat these beds um, to make sure the grub problem gets out of there. So I really don't want to plant anything. But my cucumbers were not affected. They're still going. Um, I don't know too much about what my celery is trying, but I believe there's grubs down there, so that's why it's taking so long, as well as with the squash. Even though they have a lot of foliage, I don't have any fruit yet, so I believe those are effects of the grubs. So I'll be getting some new beds uh, next week so I can plant my fall crops. So let me show you what I'm doing about the cabbage worms. Okay, guys, this is my BT. It's Bacillus thuringiensis. Thuringiensis. It's a bacterial um, a bacterium that affects the cabbage worms, the tomato worms, all the worms in your garden that may chew up your leaves or chew up your vegetables or burrow themselves into your vegetables like tomatoes. So, because of the grubs, all my plants are compromised. So, I have to put multiple protections down just to keep the ones that are the vegetables that are here to keep them going until the end of the season. And the BT is to help eliminate the worms because what it does is it attacks the digestive system of the worm, and eventually they die off because it's killing their insides basically. Now, they will have to chew on the leaf to get it, so you will have some damage when because it doesn't kill them on contact. What it does is kill them once they eat the leaves with the bacillus on it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon to 1 gallon. So in your sprayer, and you spray everything. So that's what I'm going to be doing. This is very good. It's organic and it's natural. So it won't kill you or your pets or anything else. So that's my quick tip for today. When I get my garden beds next week, I'll be showing you the fall crops that I'm planting in the new beds to keep the grubs out. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. Take care of yourself and each other, eating foods from the Most High. Until next time, shalom.